You're listening to your favorite podcast, your inspirational quote for today. Let's get started. My name is Dony SANON, your favorite linguist. I am the Director of Modern Languages for All. This is your morning inspiration, brought to you from the great names in history, arts, literature, and science. Hello guys, welcome back. Your inspirational quote for today is brought to you from a famous Genevan writer, composer, and philosopher of enlightenment, whose political ideas influenced the French Revolution, the development of socialist theory, and the growth of nationalism. He was born on June 28, 1712, in Geneva, a city in Switzerland that lies at the southern tip of expensive Lac Léman. He died at age 66 of a stroke or bleeding on the brain on July 2nd, 1778. Some of his books include Émile, On the Social Contract, Confessions, Second Discourse, etc. He was married to Thérèse Levasseur, and he had 5 children. Apparently, he regarded them as his own, even though he assigned them to a hospital for abandoned children. You might know whom I am referring to. This is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. And regarding insults, he said that, I quote, "Insults are the arguments employed by those who are in the wrong." Let me repeat. Insults are the arguments employed by those who are in the wrong. What do you think about this quote? Please let me know your viewpoints in your comments below. Alright? Take care. Hey folks, remember to subscribe and share with all your friends and family members. If you have any comments, you can put them below and we will discuss. See you again for another inspirational quote. Bye bye. Ciao.